Hi everyone and welcome to Studio the Soul. My name is Lina and in today's video I'm gonna show you how I made this kaleidoscope cane. So let's get started. Here are the colors of the polymer clay that I'm going to be using in today's video. Later on, I'm going to be mixing a few more lighter tones of the blue and the purple colors. But as of right now, I'm flattening all the pieces of the clay on the same level of thickness. Here I'm also mixing white clay with the light blue to create even lighter tone of blue. And after that, using the square cutter, I'm cutting out 2 squares of each color. After I did that, I'm attaching the colors together, and I'm doing that by attaching 2 squares of the same color on top of each other and then gradually going into the darker tone. And after that, I am just pressing on the clay and shrinking the rectangulars just a little bit to make them more into cubes. Then I'm randomly starting cutting out some random forms and slices of both of the cubes, and I'm just trying to mirror the slices and those cuts that I make and then switching them. So first I kind of did that middle cut. After that, I'm attaching it, securing it on a spot, making a few other slices, and again just switching them. And a few more times like that, and after that I'm attaching 2 cubes on top of each other, somewhat following the pattern. And after that I'm shrinking them, making it to the square cane. I'm shrinking from the middle of my cube and slightly pushing it outwards, and keep doing that same motion over and over again. Whenever you feel that the clay is becoming more flexible and soft, you can pull it, but just a little bit. I'm also helping myself with the rolling pin, but again, just a little bit. Here's how it looks like on the inside. We're gonna come back to it later. After that, I'm doing the same exact procedure. I'm slicing 2 squares of each color and then attaching colors together, gradually going from the lightest to the darkest tone. Then I'm slicing that very first cane into 3 pieces and forming like a triangle shape that's gonna be the center part of the future cane. After that, I'm dividing these 2 other cubes into the triangles. And already for this part, I was just attaching the pieces, mixing and matching, seeing how I like the colors interact with each other and if I like the way they look. So pretty much no order. And after I attached all the pieces together, I'm just trying to form this entire piece of clay into the triangle. And when I did that, I'm again shrinking it. And I'm starting from the center of the cane, slightly pushing the clay outwards, and keep doing that. Whenever the cane is triangle or any other shape besides like square and round, it's make it a little bit more difficult and take a little bit longer because you would have to use mostly your hands to stretch it out. But again, if it has flat surfaces like this triangle, you can help yourself with some flat surface, just pressing it on. And here's how the skein looks on the inside. So I sliced it in half and attached two parts together. After that, I'm slicing it off again and attaching two more parts together. And then I have left one more spot to fill in. I'm adding on the cane and slicing it off, making sure that the pattern is symmetrical and pressing on the clay all together. And here's my final result. And this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we see each other in the next video.